Alrighty, fellas and fillettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing team. And if you're new here, welcome. Alright, I've been kind of vague about what turbo I'm using. And to get straight to the point, I'm using a VSRacing turbo. I'll leave a link in the description. It is a billet turbo. I'm using it because it's cheap, $555. It's very durable and it's very efficient. All right, works very well. A lot of people have used these on many applications, many different vehicles, front and rear setups. All right, what I would like to do is buy another one, which would be nice. And then this here, I'd like to get it ceramic coated. So whenever a little bit of water or something splashes on it, it doesn't rust. And that's the only thing I kind of don't like about it. All right, is this part here eventually will look like this. The whole thing, it's just the way it is. All right, water's right here is where the cab separates for the bed. So yeah, and not too good of a spot right here, but a little bit of ceramic coating, no problem. All right, now I know a lot of people are worried about water and dirt and whatnot, but there's a lot of open turbos on off-road vehicles. I got a lot of buddies with dune buggies and stuff, and the turbos stick out. No problem with dirt. Water. Boats, guys. Boats have turbos on them sticking out. You know, well, a few of them, the lucky son of a guns, you know, that can afford a boat with turbo. Look, no problem. All right, I haven't had an issue yet. All right, and if I do, I will let y'all know. All right, that's how we're doing it here. How the hell you get some? Link will be in the description. All right, VSRacing turbo. I think this is maybe like a first gen. There is another gen out, I believe, so you might want to look that up. Gen 2 of this same exact size. All right, and for the rear mount, I recommend the billet. There is a cheaper one. It's not a billet wheel, and I recommend the billet, you know, if you're doing a rear mount, because it's lighter. It's a lot easier to push and turn. All right, guys, hot damn hell yeah, get some. Y'all the baddest. I appreciate y'all. What you're really looking for is the link in the description to answer your question on what turbo am I using.